Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located in Brighton, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 700 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 14 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Followed by that is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Lastly, we have the bathroom. So guys, even though the house itself is 700 square feet, the entire lot is approximately 1,700 square feet. So you do have a bit of space to do any expansions if you wish. Alright, so that would then end house number 1. House number 2. Now for this 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house, it's located in the neighborhood of Marley in the Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 900 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 17 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, here's the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one out of the 2 is being shown. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And that would be the end of house number 2. So just a reminder, for this 2-bedroom 1-bathroom, it's on the market for 17 million Jamaican dollars. House number 3. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located in Hellshaw, Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is approximately 1,769 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 16.5 million Jamaican dollars. As we go on the inside, we have the kitchen. Unfortunately for the living and dining area, there were no images provided. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Lastly, we have the bathroom. And that would end house number 3. House number 4. This 2-bedroom 1-bathroom house is located in Whitewater, Meadows in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this house is approximately 727 square feet, with the lot size being approximately 3,600 square feet. It's been sold at a cost of 17 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. From here you can also see a glimpse of the kitchen. We then move on to the bedroom. This house has 2 bedrooms, however only one out of the 2 is being shown. Next, we have the bathroom. Now it is incomplete, so it would definitely need some renovation before it would be ready for use. And we then move from here to the back of the house. So as I mentioned before, the lot size is approximately 3,600 square feet. So you do have quite a bit of space to do any expansion that you wish for the future. Alright, so that ends house number 4. House number 5. Now this is a 5-bedroom 3-bathroom house located in Green Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is approximately 9,801 square feet and it's for sale at a cost of 31 million Jamaican dollars. We move from the front and we're going to head right on the inside. Here we have the living area. And next is the dining area. Unfortunately for the kitchen, there were no images provided. Followed by that are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 5 bedrooms, however only 2 out of the 5 were shown. Unfortunately for the bathrooms, there were no images provided. That would then end house number 5.